Hey guys, it's going Fair from Tools and Gadgets. Today we have the Sportlink Waterproof Case. So this is for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and as what you can see, my son is ready for the beach. So we're heading out to the beach to test this out. But before that, we're gonna do an unboxing of this. So I have used Sportlink cases back in the past, and it has been great so far. I didn't experience any leaks. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So in here, guys, right out of the box, you have the waterproof case. So this is color blue or green. That's because there's a protective layer that you need to take out before you could use this. All right, so inside the unit, guys, is what you need to keep this phone going. So inside, guys, you have your arm strap here. You have a opener, because once you seal this tight, guys, it's really hard to open. So you will need this to open this on the side. And yeah, and here you have a cloth in order to wipe the screen first. So yeah, let's go ahead. But before anything else, you need to test this out. Sportlink recommends that you put a tissue paper inside and then submerge this for 30 minutes in the water to assure that there will be no leaks. Right, Michael?
Yes.
All right, so let's go ahead. All right, guys, so before dipping in the water, let's go ahead and put some tissue inside, and we're gonna seal this up. Just make sure that the tissue is all the way inside and it's not blocking here on the sides. And there you go. So yeah, let's go ahead and submerge this for 30 minutes. Okay. Yeah, we'll come back after 30 minutes. If there's any leak, then the tissue would be wet. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that.
A few moments later.
Alright, so it has been 30 minutes now. So yeah, let's go ahead and check if our phone is still dry inside. So let's go grab a napkin, wipe this off first before we go ahead and open. But that's what I could see here from the outside. The napkin inside, or the tissue, is completely dry. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so moment of truth. Let's go ahead and open it. So you can see the napkin or the tissue inside is completely dry. So yeah, that's a confirmation that our product doesn't contain a factory defect. So yeah. All right, guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and put my phone inside this waterproof case. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and first take off the protective screen inside. So there's a protective plastic inside, just like that. Let's go ahead and put our phone inside here first, just like that, and then let's go ahead and seal this up. But before, there's a warning here at the back, so we must open this up first in order to release the air inside, just like that. And yeah, just make sure that everything is properly sealed, just like this, like that. So just check everything before sealing it, and always open the USB-C here at the bottom to release the excess air. All right, just like that. So once it's properly fitted, let's go ahead and close this USB-C up. So yeah, let's go ahead and test the functions, just like that. So everything is working just fine as it is. Let's go ahead and turn on the camera. Yep, just like that. Hey guys. All right, so everything is working perfectly fine. Here on this side, you have your membrane here, so you could actually use this even if you're using a waterproof case. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine. Take a picture just like that, and yeah, there you go. All right, guys, so just a side note, Sportlink doesn't recommend that you put a screen protector on your phone while using this waterproof case. But yeah, for me, I have tested way back that putting the screen protector would make it really a tight fit, so it's really hard to close on the sides. So yeah, we don't recommend actually, but yeah, for me, I'm testing this out whether it still works using a screen protector. So I do have a tempered screen protector. It's a really thick screen protector, but still it managed to close on all of the sides. Yeah, so okay, I'm gonna teach you how to use the key here. So there's a gap here at the lower right corner. You just insert the key here and you just pop it off, just like that. Just like that. So you can go ahead and take the waterproof case now, and just like that, you go ahead and work your way going to the top and push and take your phone away. All right, guys, so in order to install this wrist strap, all you have to do is just go ahead and navigate to the lower left corner of the waterproof case. and then just loop it just like that, and you're ready to go.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so we're back from the beach and we have tested the Sportlink 17 Pro Max waterproof case. So yeah, so far from my usage guys in the beach, I didn't experience any water leak inside the case, and when I was able to open the case, I didn't see any water inside, even a speck of water inside, which is really good. And also guys, I forgot to test the microphone quality in this waterproof case, so I'm not really expecting the best microphone quality in this guys, because this is a waterproof case. Let me show it to you guys right now. There's no waterproof case currently in my phone, so how do I sound? 1 2 3 4, and let's go ahead and put on the case and how will I sound. Alright guys, so we're back and now I'm 3 feet inches away from my phone, and this is how it sounds with the waterproof case on. How do I sound? 1 2 3 4. How do I sound? Alright guys, so I've managed to listen to the sound, and I could say that it's really not bad at all for a waterproof case that insulates or encapsulates your phone to keep it safe from the water. It's really not bad. But if you submerge it in the water, that's a different story now. Well, if you're just splashing at a water park, yeah, you can still have that really nice quality of a microphone you got. And also guys, one thing to point out when I'm using my waterproof case here, the video quality that I got is spectacular, as if I'm not wearing any waterproof case. So yeah, I really do recommend Sportlink cases guys, the waterproof cases. So I started using Sportlink cases way back when I had the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the 16 and then the 17. So yeah, the 3 generations of the iPhone Pro Max I have used with the Sportlink, and it has been great so far. I haven't gotten any leaks at all. My phone stays completely dry. So yeah, what are we waiting for guys? Thank you for watching. By the way, once again, my link is in the description box below and also in the comments section. So yeah, I'll see you again in our next one. Bye!